If you're looking for how to watch the UEFA Champions League live for free in 2026, this video is for you. Because honestly, this is one of the most common questions football fans ask every season, and today I'm going to show you the legal ways to watch Champions League matches, including some free options that may be available depending on your country. First, it's important to know that Champions League broadcasting rights vary by region, which means the platform available in one country may be completely different in another. If you're in the United Kingdom, some Champions League matches and highlights may be available through TNT Sports, and selected free content on official platforms and promotional broadcasts. If you're in Spain, Champions League coverage is usually available through Movistar Plus and other licensed sports broadcasters. If you're in Germany, popular options include DAZN and Amazon Prime Video for selected matches. If you're in the United States, you can typically watch Champions League matches through Paramount plus CBS Sports and the CBS Sports app. If you're in Canada, many matches are available on DAZN, which holds Champions League rights in the country. Now let's talk about free options, because that's what many people want to know. In some countries, certain broadcasters may occasionally offer free-to-air matches, free trials, or match highlights, depending on local broadcasting agreements. You can also use official UEFA platforms to access highlights, goals, match summaries, interviews, and exclusive Champions League content. Another option is checking whether your streaming provider offers a free trial period. Some services occasionally provide promotional access, which can allow you to watch matches legally for a limited time. Now, let's be realistic. If you want full access to every Champions League match throughout the season, a paid broadcaster is usually required, because most rights holders operate through subscription services. However, many fans still use free official highlights, promotional broadcasts, and trial offers to follow the competition. So, to summarize, the best legal ways to watch the Champions League in 2026 include Paramount plus CBS Sports, DAZN Movistar, plus Amazon Prime Video and TNT Sports, depending on your country. And don't forget, official UEFA platforms also provide highlights clips and exclusive tournament coverage. Now tell me in the comments which country you're watching from, and I'll tell you exactly which channel or streaming platform shows the Champions League in your region, because honestly, no football fan wants to miss Champions League nights.